Posibleng sa Golden Triangle ang huling destinasyon ni dating Mayor Alice Go at ng kanyang pamilya. Ito ang isiniwalat ng Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Commission o PAOK. Ang Golden Triangle region ay matatagpuan sa Timog Silangang Asya, sa kahabaan ng Mekong River at nasa boundary ng Myanmar, Laos at Thailand. Sinasabing maraming mga illegal na aktibidad dito gaya ng cyber scams, money laundering at iba pa.
As far as the commission is concerned, as far as the the power is concerned, we are confident that she's trying to get into the Golden Triangle. Because the family, the Hu family has business interests, gambling interests in Cambodia. So that would be the safest bet that we have as of this moment.
Ayon sa PAOK, hindi magpupunta ng China si Go dahil sa mga kinakaharap nitong kaso sa Pilipinas at istrikto ang China pagdating sa mga kasong may kinalaman sa sugal.
She will definitely not go to China. In as much as she is already a person of interest as far as China is concerned, because she's accused of a serious crime of Philippines in relation to illegal gambling. And we know how strict China is in relation to gambling in their own territory.
Sa monitoring ng PAOK, July 14 huling nakita sa bansa si Alice Go sa isang pribadong resort sa Luzon. Pero nakaalis na sila nang dumating ang mga otoridad na magsisilbi sana ng kanyang warrant of arrest. July 18 nang makarating ito sa Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. July 21 nagpunta ito sa Singapore at August 18 nagtungo ito sa Batam, Indonesia. Malaki ang posibilidad na hindi dumaan sa normal na proseso si Alice Go sa paglabas nito ng bansa.
We have not seen her name in any of the flight records or vessel records from those exclusive dates. So we are very confident that she did not leave the country via the normal way, via the immigration exit points. So that is why the President released a public statement that called on all of us in law enforcement to conduct a thorough investigation as to what happened during those 3 days that she was not cited. Because obviously those were the days that she left the country. And this would not have happened if no private individuals or maybe public officials have assisted her. Kasi an operation of that magnitude has so many moving parts. And to control an information such as that would require a technical expertise that is not available to just a simple private individual.
Nitong nakaraang linggo, nagtangka umanong lumabas ng Batam, Indonesia ang kapatid nito na si Wesley Go papuntang Hong Kong. Pero wala pang ulat ang PAOK mula sa Hong Kong counterpart nito. Si dating Mayor Alice Go naman ay nasa Indonesia pa rin daw.
About Mayor Go, Indonesian authorities are confident that she's still secure within the Batam area. Unfortunately, we have no blue notice, we have no red notice that would facilitate her immediate return to the Philippines.
Ryan Lacanlale, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.